Do you want to start making videos, but you're just worried that it will take too much time out of your busy day to get started? I'm going to share the easiest and fastest way you can create a video right now. My name is Amani Channel. I'm the video fearless dude who helps business kings and queens attract leads and clients with video marketing, simple video marketing techniques to attract leads, followers, build their authority or influence, even if they're terrified of making videos. So I'm not doing it right now, but this is the simplest way to make videos if your time is really short, if your time is super short. There's actually two ways you can do it. The first way is just to record your video in one take. All right, and make sure you stay till the end because I'm going to share a bonus tip that will help you get some super fast results at the end of this video. All right, so what I mean by record it in one take? Well, that means record from beginning to end without stopping, without any pickups, without any restarts or do-overs, all right? Why is that so effective and such a good method to use? Because when you record it in one take, you'll have to do minimal editing. At the most, you just have to chop a little bit off the beginning and a little bit off the end, and then let the content that you create or you speak to just kind of ride. Let it go. You gotta record it and just let it go in the wind. Let it do its magic. Let it do its thing. Now, you might be wondering, well, I'm not perfect though. Well, making videos is not about being perfect. It's not about any of that. It's just about sharing content that's going to serve your audience, that's going to help them solve a problem in their life. It's going to change their life. All right? It's about building rapport. It's about building that relationship with the person at the other end of the lens. And video works well for that because when you can see a person, whether it's on television or on the internet, it kind of has the same psychological effect. You kind of have that star quality about you when people turn to you because you're providing them valuable content, or when they turn to you and just can see you interacting with them, or if you're able to entertain them. Any of those things can create the star factor. All right, but don't worry about being perfect. Why is that? Well, because none of us are perfect, first of all, and second of all, the audience is going to forget if you say or have a brain freeze or I call them brain farts or something like that. If it's super bad, just start over and just record the video again. Remember, from beginning to end without stopping, just do multiple takes. But you want to minimize the editing. All right, this is the second way you can record videos super fast for your audience. Is just record a live video. Just go live. Go live on Facebook. You can go live on Instagram. You can go live on TikTok. You can go live on LinkedIn, even though I haven't been approved to go live yet on LinkedIn. What's up with that? But going live is the simplest way. Now, the thing about going live, and I'll have to create another video about this, is you have to develop what I call Mouthpiece to really go live, because there's going to be some added pressures, right? There's going to be some pressures to just get your information out there. You can't stop. There are no do-overs when you go live. So you definitely have to be on your message game when it comes to being live. But the best thing to do is just to go live. And once you get through it, just learn from it. Just dust off any sort of mistakes or any sort of, mess that's on your shoulders, and just do it again. All right, because the more you do it, the easier it's going to be. Like, making the video the first time might not be super easy, but I promise you it's going to get easier the more times you do it. So go live, or if you're recording a video, just record it in one take. That's the simplest way to get your content out there. And don't worry about messing up. Don't worry about being perfect. Just get your content out there and let the video work its magic. It's just like getting your reps in. You got to do it more than once. You got to build that video muscle. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm here to help you do. All right, now if you want a free resource that's going to help you jumpstart your video marketing success, all right, you can get some super fast results. Check out the free training. This is the link. I'll probably put it in the description as well, but it is bit.ly/myvideocase-study. bit.ly/myvideocase-study. It's free, totally free for you. You're going to learn about other students, what methods, why my methods work so well, why they work quickly, and also learn about my personal challenges, because there was a time in which I couldn't go live. I couldn't record a video. I wasn't feeling like myself. I had a lot of self-doubt. I had a lot of anxiety, a lot of nerves as well. So I know all about that. But a mentor helped me, and now I'm throwing the rope back, all right? And if you want some super duper fast results, then you may want to schedule a free 45-minute video strategy call with me, in which I'll really dig into your challenges. I'll really come up with some solutions. I'll share my strategy and my techniques and why my techniques work so quickly. And I may invite you to become a mentee All right, if I have any spaces left. But the link for that is bit.ly/callfearless. That's bit.ly/callfearless. But if this was helpful, go ahead and like, thumbs up, or whatever. Follow me. But more tips are coming. I'm here to help you rock out 2021 with video marketing because it's the COVID era, baby. We got to connect. We got to make deep connections. We have to make meaningful connections. We have to connect with people who may want to do business with us because at the end of the day, the government ain't gonna save you. We already know that. All right, Amani Channel. Talk to you soon. Peace.